This allows the wearer to control their bionic limb just by thinking about it, just like a natural limb. Real-life examples abound, from a drummer who can play faster than any human to a mountaineer who scaled Everest with a bionic leg. These aren't mere replacements, they are enhancements, augmentations that can exceed human capabilities. Bionic limbs are not just about restoring lost abilities, but amplifying them. Imagine being able to see in the dark or hear whispers from miles away. Welcome to the world of super senses. This is not the stuff of comic books or superhero movies. The concept of super senses is grounded in scientific reality, and it's all thanks to technology. Consider this. What if we could enhance our hearing to pick up frequencies beyond the normal human range, or boost our vision to perceive infrared or ultraviolet light? The possibilities are staggering. And it's not just about hearing and sight. Technology can also augment our sense of smell and touch, opening up new dimensions of perception. The potential applications of super senses are vast. From medical diagnostics, where enhanced senses could detect diseases at their earliest stages, to military operations, where super hearing or vision could provide a critical advantage on the battlefield. Super senses could redefine the limits of human perception. So what does the future hold for human augmentation? As we've explored, the potential for bionic limbs and super senses is vast and exciting. Technological advancements are steering us towards a reality where our physical and sensory limitations may no longer apply. However, this journey also brings with it ethical considerations. The question of how much is too much becomes ever more prominent. Human augmentation presents a thrilling yet challenging frontier. As we venture into this new era, we must navigate the fine line between enhancement and alteration, between innovation and intervention.